Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is ThisisTinuola. If you're new here, you are welcome. Feel free to click on the subscribe button below to join the channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. Love you guys. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this gorgeous style. The first thing is to make sure your hair is clean. You can do this style on a wet or dry hair. I'm gonna section my hair into 4 sections with my fingers. Feel free to use a comb if that's more comfortable. Put away those sections. I'll be starting with the right back section. Because my hair is dry, I'll apply some water from my spray bottle for moisture. And then I would apply some castor oil to lock in the moisture. Afterwards, I'll detangle the section with a comb, or you can use a brush. Now it's time to pat out the mini sections to work with. For this style, I'm using Ore's Lock and Twist gel. I like using this for my twist, but this is the first time I'll be doing a twist out with this gel. So hopefully it comes out well. Fingers crossed. Further divide the mini sections into smaller sections for each twist. I'll be doing a small to medium sized twist. I find this more preferable for shorter 4C hair. Once I'm done with that at the back, just gonna bun that up and show you exactly what I'm doing here in the front section. Take your gel, apply it generously to the section you're working with. Make sure the tips are also coated with the gel. Then separate the small sections into 2 strands and twist them together like so. Make sure your twist is tight enough for more coil definition. Once you get to the tip of the hair, swirl it around your fingers. Repeat the same step for the entire twist. It's overrated. These expectations, they gave way and me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm trying to live inside the upside down. For a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Once I'm done with the entire hair, which I bundled up, I'm gonna give my ends a little trim. This is because my ends are so weak and uneven in length, so you can skip this step. Once that is done, I'm just gonna apply some mousse on my head before tying it up for bed. Okay, now it's time to take these bad boys out. I really like this style because you can actually rock this twist like this for some time before taking it out. Right now I'm applying some olive oil, and you want to grab each of the twists one after the other and turn each twist in an anti-clockwise direction while you separate both strands of the twist, like so. You can use a wide tooth comb to fluff out the hair so it doesn't look scanty. And this is the final look, guys. I decided to opt out for a side part instead of center, basically because it suits my face better. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't you forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.